Hello children, I am Sudesh sir from Sudesh Coaching Classes. Welcome students to yet another episode of Quadratic Equations Season 10, Episode 2, Part G. Okay, now as you learned in the last episode that the formula method of solving the quadratic equations, the formula was x is equal to minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a. What does that mean? If you solve a quadratic equation by formula method, at the end of that you will always get two answers, right? So here also I'm going to separate this formula into two parts. First is x is equal to minus b plus square root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a, or x is equal to minus b minus square root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a. First plus, other times minus. Okay, that's what is very easy. But both are the values of x. And when we say, I told you in first episode, when we say that the answers, we never say answers. We always say they are the roots or solutions. So these are the roots of the quadratic equation, right? And when we say roots, there are Greek letters coming up. Okay, so here in this particular portion, this is termed by a letter alpha, and this is termed by a letter beta. Did you understand? So alpha and beta are the two roots. Answers. Two roots of the quadratic equation. Alpha is equal to minus b plus square root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a, while beta is equal to minus b minus square root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a, right? So what can I say over here? If the standard form of quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, then the alpha plus beta, okay, alpha and beta, alpha plus beta is equal to minus b upon a, and alpha into beta is equal to c upon a. Okay students, now we are going to find the values of alpha plus beta and alpha into beta when the quadratic equations are given. Okay, what are alpha and beta? They are the roots of the given quadratic equation. So first thing first, always write the quadratic equation first in the standard form. Okay, standard form, and after that compare it with the standard form. Write the values of a, b and c, which you are very expert by now. Okay, I'm comparing by the standard form ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0 for the given equation 3x square minus 5x plus 7 equal to 0. What should be the values of a and b and c? A will be 3, b will be, don't forget the sign, minus 5, c will be equal to 7, right? Once you do that, what you are going to do in the next, you are going to find the values of alpha plus beta. The alpha and beta are the two roots. Alpha plus beta का formula क्या है? Minus b upon a. Alpha into beta का formula क्या है? C upon a. Okay, fine. Now that comes minus. What is b का value? Again minus 5. Always put double minus होगा तो एक bracket में डालना है. Okay. And a का value क्या है? 3. The negative becomes positive 5 upon 3. So this is the answer of alpha plus beta. Right? Now what is alpha into beta? C upon a. What is C? 7. What is a? 3. So I got alpha plus beta is 5 upon 3 and alpha into beta is equal to 7 upon 3. Come, let's do the second sum. 5m square plus 2m plus 1 equal to 0. Now which should be the standard form? Yes, probably you're right. Comparing with am square plus bm plus c equal to 0. Why did I use m? Because variable m है इसलिए. Okay, then find the values of a. A का value है 5. Very good. B का value है 2. Very good. C का value है 1. Now what I am going to do, if alpha and beta are the two roots of the quadratic equation, what is alpha plus beta? Minus b upon a. What is alpha into beta? C upon a. Now minus. Okay. What is b? B का value 2 and a का value 5. Khatam. What is c upon a? 1. And what is a? 5. Khatam. That's how it's easy to find the values of alpha plus beta and alpha into beta from the given standard form of quadratic equation. Now students, let's do the other way around. Okay, quadratic equation दिया था तो हमने अल्फा प्लस बीटा और अल्फा इंटू बीटा का वैल्यूज निकाला था. फाइन. अब उल्टा, अगर अल्फा और बीटा का वैल्यूज दिया है तो क्या हम क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन लिख पाएंगे? If alpha and beta are given, if alpha and beta are the roots, if alpha and beta are the roots of quadratic equation, yes, we can by using this formula. Then the quadratic equation is given by the formula x square minus alpha plus beta x plus alpha into beta equal to 0. Yes, just copy this formula. X square minus alpha plus beta x plus alpha into beta equal to 0. Okay, students, now we are going to actually use this particular form in practical purpose, right? I am going to give two sums. I have already written the two sums. Let alpha be equal to 7 and beta is equal to minus 4. Form the quadratic equation. The question is form the quadratic equation when the two roots are given, right? First, before using the formula, I am going to find alpha plus beta and alpha into beta. Come. Alpha plus beta for this particular purpose is 7 minus 4. And 7 minus 4 is very easy, which comes to be 3. And alpha into beta is equal to 7 into minus 4. First multiply the signs. Plus minus minus. 7 fours are 28, right? And then you can write, therefore the given quadratic equation is x square minus alpha plus beta x plus alpha into beta is equal to 0. Okay, x square minus alpha plus beta x plus alpha into beta is equal to 0. X square minus, what is alpha plus beta? It is just 3x plus, what is alpha into beta? It is minus 28. First you are going to write this way, okay? Then you are going to open the brackets, right? Plus into minus, minus 28 is equal to 0 is the required quadratic equation. Right? Now let's do the second sum. Here it is. Okay. Alpha is equal to 1 by 4. Beta is equal to 3 by 4. Let's do it. What is alpha plus beta? Alpha plus beta is equal to 1 by 4 plus 3 by 4. Denominator same. Keep it as it is. Add the numerator. 1 plus 3. 1 plus 3 comes 4 by 4, which comes to be 1. So alpha plus beta is 1. Now multiply them. Alpha into beta, which comes 1 upon 4 into 3 upon 4. Numerator into numerator, the answer will be in numerator. So 1 into 3 will be 3. Denominator into denominator, the answer will be in denominator. 4 4s are 16. Can we simplify it further? No. Okay. Therefore, quadratic equation is x square minus alpha plus beta x plus alpha into beta is equal to 0. Now what is next point? Just fill in the values. Okay, x square minus, what is alpha plus beta? It is 1. Okay, 1x plus, what is alpha into beta? 3 upon 16 is equal to 0. Open the brackets. X square minus 1x plus 3 upon 16 is equal to 0 is the required quadratic equation. Well, you can simplify it further by multiplying the whole equation by 16. But that's another story. What I want is just raw form of the quadratic equation. I got x square minus 1x plus 3 upon 16 is equal to 0. Okay, students, if the values of alpha and beta are complicated, okay, complex number like this, alpha is equal to 1 plus 3 root 5 and beta is equal to 1 minus 3 root 5. What will you do? We'll just use the same formula, alpha plus beta. Okay, 1 plus 3 root 5 plus 1 minus 3 root 5. Now this is rational, this is rational. While this is irrational and this is irrational. Rational irrational के साथ कुछ नहीं कर सकता है, but rational rational के साथ कर सकता है और irrational irrational के साथ. Okay, fine. Okay, with this I will get what? This is rational, this is rational. 1 plus 1, 2. And plus 3 root 5, minus 3 root 5 cancel each other, right? Now multiply them. Alpha into beta. Now remember to put that into bracket because they are the binomials. और binomials को कभी भी bracket में डालना है. What is binomial? Two terms. Okay. First term, second term. First term, second term. Now 1 plus 3 root 5, 1 minus 3 root 5. Now you can also go by the long cut method or you can use the formula. What is the formula? A plus b into a minus b is a square minus b square. Okay, I'm going to write the formula for your sake. A plus b into a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. Okay, okay, use it over here because see 1 1. Okay, what can you see? 1 1 3 root 5 3 root 5. Okay, it becomes 1 square bracket square or bracket square. Okay, a square minus b square. What is the first term? 1 1 1. What is the second term? 3 root 5, 3 root 5 and 3 root 5. Okay, 1 ka square, 1 minus. Now there are two things over here. This thing is rational while this is irrational. Don't mix it up. Okay, 3 का square क्या होता है? 9. Multiply by root 5 का square क्या होता है? Now remember, the square root sign and the square cancel each other. So when I say square root 5 का square, the square and the square root get cancelled and what I get just is 5. Okay, तो 9 आ गया और इसका वैल्यू हो जाएगा 5. Okay, 1 minus 9 5s are 45. Okay, 45 minus 1, 44. बट बड़े नंबर का साइन देना है. 45 बड़ा है, साइन माइनस है, आंसर को भी साइन क्या होगा? माइनस. सो अल्फा इंटू बीटा इज minus 44. Is that the end? No. We have to still find the quadratic equation. How? Here it is. Okay. Therefore, the quadratic equation is x square minus alpha plus beta x plus alpha into beta is equal to 0. So, here it is x square minus what is alpha plus beta? 2x plus what is alpha into beta? Minus 44. Put it in the bracket is equal to 0. Next step, open the brackets. X square minus 2x plus minus 44 equal to 0. Thank you, students.
Hello children, I am Sudesh sir from Sudesh Coaching Classes.